It's summer in Britain, which means it's time to get your gardening tools sharpened up. Today, we have a 7-inch Fiskars Gardening Shears in for repair and sharpening. Here's a better look at how rusty they are after being taken apart. We'll first remove all the rust using 60 grit and 120 grit sandpaper. After that, we sharpen both blades on 120 grit whetstone. Wipe them clean, then move up to 1000 grit whetstone. And shears are actually just 2 single bevel knives bolted together, so we make sure to treat them with the same respect. Wipe them clean. Next, we head to the paint station for a base coat of anti-rust primer. Let it dry, followed by a second coat of flexible black matte paint, and leave them to dry overnight. The next morning, I strop the blades on leather loaded with green polishing compound, polish, and clean up the edge on the other side. Lastly, I lubricate both blades with generous amount of WD-40 to prevent rust before finally putting everything back together. Now you can really see how these rusty garden shears have been brought back to life after a major rust removal, repaint, and hand sharpening. They're definitely sharper than new after going through the whetstones. They cut plants like nothing, and the owner will enjoy every minute of gardening with this beauty.